Alright guys, so this segment of the video is for you guys who asked about my equipment. I know I talked about some essential smaller items, but we'll talk about the big stuff. So let's start on this end here. So this is my 8 gallon per minute unit. It is fed from my 275 tank. I keep this tank filled up as I'm cleaning. I usually keep about to that bar or maybe a little higher in there, that way I can get started on the job. So I run a 28-inch big guy surface cleaner. Let me just show you it real quick. That's it right there. I don't need it today, so putting it in the garage. It's busy season. There's all my SH. I got that delivered from Home Depot for like 300 bucks. I don't know how many gallons that is, but it's a lot. So 8 gallon per minute machine, Honda GX690 engine, 8 gallon per minute Everflow pump. It's got the electric start, obviously. There's the fuel tank that goes to it and the battery. On this hose reel here, I have about 250 feet of high pressure hose, my DN10 ball valve. I don't like these Simpson hoses. I just went and bought one because I needed to complete that apartment job that day. It actually hasn't been too bad so far. So this is my 12-volt system. I bought a 5.5 gallon per minute Everflow pump, mounted it on the tank here. That's my feed line to my hose reel here. I have 1/2-inch Flexzilla. Got about 250 feet on here. Soft wash gun and my J-rod. There's my battery for it. Clamp these onto the battery, positive and negative. This is a 25 gallon soft wash tank for roof washes and fence washes. I'm actually going to use my X-Jet today to clean the fence. I'm not going to use my 12 volt. Here's the chemicals I'm going to be using today. Got some SH, got some deck wash, and then I have to go grab some oxalic acid in my garage to neutralize the SH. This is my 4 gallon per minute water cannon. It's belt driven. It's got a cat pump on it. I can attach this to the tank as well and pull water since it's belt driven. This is the hose for that. I keep it right there. On this hose reel here, I have about 100 feet of high pressure hose for this machine, and I have a whip line right here. I can connect to that machine or that machine. I've got 300 feet of garden hose there. This is my hot water unit. It's a direct drive machine. It cannot pull water, so you have to have a direct source connected to your pump here. This machine is about 2 years old, still runs great. I keep the oil changed often. This controls the burner. Hear that noise that the burner's on. It goes up to 250. I usually run it around 200, which is usually plenty for most cleaning. I probably will use a little bit of heat today to clean this fence once I pre-treat. It's got the electric start, 4 gallon per minute, cat pump, and it's got the burner. This machine was about $4 grand. You got different gas tanks here. This is my little toolbox with all my different connects and hand tools. If I can get in there. Got all kinds of stuff in there. Turbo nozzle, O-rings, all kinds of stuff. Close that back. That's my 28 surface cleaner for my 4 gallon per minute units. I got my soft wash guns here. Got some more window cleaning supplies there. Got my 2 ladders up on my tote there. So I'm able to fit all this equipment on my flatbed. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this. I always keep a blower on my truck, a little step ladder. These are my extension poles for the window cleaning I'm doing today. Some towels. These are my spray bottles. It's white vinegar and Dawn dish soap. What up, loudest plane known to man? That puppy is loud. But yeah, guys, that's my setup. I mean, it's more of a commercial style rig, but obviously I do residential as well. I've been using the 7 gallon per minute Everflow, but since I have my new soft wash machine I bought, I don't need the 12 volt system anymore. I just bought that to get me by until it comes in, because I do have some roof washes coming up. So I am going to upgrade my tank to probably a 50 gallon vertical. That way I can free up some space, and then obviously have more room for some mixes to clean roofs or whatnot. So yeah, guys, this is it. This is Big Zeus. So today when I'm cleaning this fence, I'm probably going to use my hot water unit. I'm going to use my X-Jet to apply my chemicals. I probably will go through 10 gallons, so 2 of these to pre-treat the whole fence. And then I forgot to show you guys this. I bought this. This is a pure water system. I'm going to use this to clean the windows today. So instead of buying a $3,000 system, you can hook your supply line from the house up to there. The water will filter through these 2 filters here and come out as pure water, and it helps you clean windows. It's for cars, but it works on windows. It's a DI spot free, 80 psi. And you change these out. You can order this whole system for like 90 bucks. Then you can order the little cartridges inside for like 40 bucks. And I use this system to clean that school, and it works great. So go ahead and put this over here, and then put that on my window cleaning stuff right there. So yeah, that's it, guys. That is my setup. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer them. I know a lot of you guys are new to the industry. It's a good time to be in the industry. It's booming right now. You can make a lot of money doing this stuff. And then in here I have my 2 high pressure wands. And then in my cab, I don't know if you can see in there, I have all my chemicals and some water, tools, jackets, things of that nature. So all right, guys, I'll see y'all out there in a second at this job cleaning a fence and then some windows.
Yeah, so I just realized I said Everflow pump when explaining my 8 gallon per minute pump. That is actually a general pump. My Everflow pump is my roof pump, so I wanted to clear that up for you guys.
All right, guys, I'm at this job. I'm gonna be cleaning this fence before a stain. I just want all the mold, mildew, dirt off. It's a beautiful home, beautiful landscaping. The guy who built that actually hired me to come out here and do this for him. And then we're gonna clean the windows around this house. Show you guys my setup here. I got this stuff called deck wash from Northern Tool, made by North Star. Put a little dab in there with some SH. I'm gonna pre-treat this fence and then let it sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then come back with hot water and rinse it all off. That X-Jet the reservoir should get me to about halfway. So I'm shooting about probably a 2% mix on this fence with some deck wash. So that's plenty to kill the mold, mildew, and dirt and all that kind of stuff, organic growth on the fence. And then the hot water rinse. I don't use really hot because, like I said, it's bad on the wood. I don't think it is, but I put it at about 100 degrees, so it doesn't splinter the wood or damage it. I've cleaned a lot of fences with, I would say, warm water, not hot water. So, all right, guys, let's get going. All right, I'm cranked up. Turn on my ball valve there. I'm connected. X-Jet. normally with 12-volt disc, but I didn't feel like getting out 2 hoses, so this is an easy way to work with 1 hose. You can already tell it's changing colors without even me putting any pressure on it. And that deck wash has a surfactant in it, so it serves as a soap too, which is nice, so I don't have to put any soap in there. All right, let's go out here. Close this door. Now we're gonna apply Chem on the outside gate here. We'll let that dwell, and then as I'm letting that dwell, I'm gonna go get my my window cleaning supplies ready, and then start hopping on these windows. What's up, guys? So I'm out here at my church today, serve day, cleaning up the sidewalks. We just cleaned a bunch of vinyl fence on the back side of the property. Got my father-in-law on the surface cleaner here, using 8 gallons per minute. Forgot to bring the big guy. Rocking and rolling. But the 20-inch surface cleaner on the big guy, or the 8 gallon, works fine too. So we're gonna get this place cleaned up. We'll see how he's doing.